Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. In this lecture we will discuss briefly introduction of hydrocarbons including their preparation and properties, especially for the students of material sciences. Chemistry of hydrocarbons. The branch of chemistry which deals with the carbon compound is known as organic chemistry. Carbon can form various compounds because it can form single bond, double bond, triple bond, and also form long chains and ring structures. Organic compounds or hydrocarbons are made up of hydrogen and carbon, and these can be classified on the basis of their functional group and structure. Functional group is responsible for the chemical activity of the compound. In this table, we listed functional groups, their structure formula and examples. For example, hydroxyl, carbonyl, aldehyde, carboxyl, ether, ester, etc. Classification of hydrocarbon on the basis of structure. There are two main classes: aliphatic, which contains a linear chains of hydrocarbons, and aromatic carbons. Basic structural component of aromatic hydrocarbon is benzene. Aliphatic hydrocarbons further divided into alkanes, cycloalkanes, alkenes, and alkynes. Alkanes are saturated hydrocarbons. These are subdivided into three main groups: linear straight chain alkanes, branch chain alkanes, cycloalkanes. For example, N-pentane, isopentane, and cyclopentane, respectively. In this table, we listed first 10 straight chain alkanes, names of hydrocarbons, their molecular formula, number of carbon atoms, melting point, and boiling points. On left hand side table, we listed common alkyl groups, for example, methyl, ethyl, and propyl. And on right hand side table, we listed names of common substituent groups, for example, amino, fluoro, chloro, bromo. Preparation of alkanes from unsaturated hydrocarbons. It is a catalytic reduction of unsaturated hydrocarbon in the presence of nickel, which acts as a catalyst to give the alkanes. For example, ethene gives ethane in the presence of nickel. From haloalkanes, Wurtz reaction, alkyl halides with sodium gives alkanes. For example, methyl bromide gives ethane, and by the reduction of aldehydes and ketones in the presence of reducing agent, that is zinc amalgam, and gives alkanes. From Grignard reagent, alkyl magnesium halide gives alkanes and hydroxy magnesium halides. Preparation of alkanes from salts of carboxylic acid. Sodium salt of carboxylic acid reacts with the soda lime and gives methane. This is principal preparation of the methane. Methane is used as a domestic fuel, shoe polish, inks, etc. Reactions of alkanes. Alkanes oxidize in the presence of high temperature and produce heat. Chlorination, it is also known as photochemical reaction, and it gives methyl chloride, ethylene chloride, chloroform, and carbon tetrachloride. Cracking or pyrolysis, this is the reaction in which long hydrocarbon breaks down into the smaller units. N-heptane break down into ethene and pentane. The importance of this reaction is that the long chain hydrocarbons break down into smaller units, which are used in the petrochemical industries. Nitration of alkanes, it takes place in the excess of vapors of nitric acid at 400 to 500 degrees. Sulfonation of alkanes takes place in the presence of vapors of sulfuric acid and gives the products which is used in laundry. For example, soap. Physical properties of alkanes. There is smooth increase in their melting and boiling points, but in branch chain, volatility increases with increase in branch chain. For example, N-hexane, the boiling point of N-hexane is 68.7 degrees, and of boiling point of neohexane is 49.7 degrees. Density also increases with the increase in number of CH2 groups. They are insoluble in water because of low polarity of CH bond, and these are soluble in organic solvents. Cycloalkanes. Carbon atoms are joined in a ring are known as cycloalkanes, for example, cyclopropane, cyclobutane, cyclopentane, and cyclohexane. Preparation of alkenes, elimination reactions. Number 1, dehydration. Dehydration involves the loss of hydroxyl group from alpha carbon and hydrogen atom from beta carbon in the presence of sulfuric acid, H3PO4, and aluminum oxide at 170 degrees, 250 degrees, and 350 degrees respectively, and gives alkenes. Dehydrohalogenation is the removal of one halogen atom and one hydrogen atom in the presence of alcoholic potassium hydroxide and gives alkenes. Why we use alcoholic potassium hydroxide? Because this is more soluble than sodium hydroxide in alcohols. Dehalogenation. Vicinal dihalides reacts with the zinc and gives alkenes. Pyrolytic elimination reaction, Shugev reaction, alcohol, CS2 and sodium hydroxide reacts to give sodium xanthate. This sodium xanthate reacts with methyl iodide at high temperature and gives methyl xanthate. And methyl xanthate rearranges at 200 degrees to give alkenes. Pyrolysis of esters, propyl acetate or benzoate at 500 degrees gives alkenes. Pope reaction, amino oxide at 120 degrees gives alkenes. Amino oxide can be obtained by the reaction of hydrogen peroxide with tertiary amines. Properties of alkenes. Physical properties, boiling point and densities are higher than their corresponding alkanes. They are soluble in nonpolar solvents, for example, benzene, carbon tetrachloride, and CS2. Structure. They have planar structure. One bond of double bond is sigma bond and other bond is pi bond. Head-to-head overlap is sigma bond and parallel overlap in pi bond with sp2 hybridization. They show nucleophile character due to pi electrons. Addition reactions of alkanes. Hydrogen reacts in the presence of the catalyst, for example, platinum, and nickel. Halogenation gives vicinal dihalides, and in the presence of moisture, this gives the alcohols. Halo acid will produce alkyl halides, and the reactivity of the halo acids more reactive with hydrogen iodide, then hydrogen bromide, and then hydrogen chloride. Test for alkenes. It decolorizes the brown color of bromine water, also decolorizes the pink color of KMnO4. It forms yellow complex with nitromethane, and it dissolved in cold concentrated sulfuric acid, while alkanes form two phases in cold sulfuric acid. Preparation of alkynes. Elimination of hydrogen halide in the presence of the potassium hydroxide at 60 degrees. Dehalogenation reactions. When halide containing 4 halogen atoms at adjacent carbon atoms reacts with the zinc to give the alkynes. Commercial preparation of acetylene. Calcium carbide reacts with water to give the acetylene, and calcium carbide can be obtained by the reaction of calcium oxide with carbon at 300 degrees. Properties of alkynes. The melting and boiling point and densities of simple alkynes are generally higher than those of corresponding alkanes and alkenes. Lower alkynes are gases while higher are liquid and solids. Chemical properties. Hydrogenation of alkynes takes place in the presence of palladium catalyst. Halogenation, that is addition of the halogen atoms in the presence of Lewis acid, which is used as a catalyst. For example, in this reaction we get tetrabromoethane. Oxidation or combustion of acetylene takes place in 10% of KMnO4. Addition to acetylene, this reaction is used to locate the position of the triple bond. Addition of hydrogen halide, this reaction takes place in the presence of mercury chloride or cuprous chloride and gives chloroethane, which is vinyl chloride, and which is monomer of polyvinyl chloride, which is used in the manufacture. Aromatic hydrocarbons. Benzene is the basic structural unit of the aromatic hydrocarbons, which was discovered by Michael Faraday in 1826. After 40 years, Kekule deduced that the benzene molecule could be best represented by a ring structure of a cyclic compound consisting of 6 carbon atoms. Properties and reactions of aromatic compounds. Benzene is colorless, flammable liquid and obtained from petroleum and coal tar. It is inert. The stability of benzene is the result of electron delocalization. This reaction takes place in the presence of high temperature, pressure and catalyst. The most common reaction of halogens with benzene is the substitution reaction in the presence of Lewis acid, and which acts as a catalyst. If the reaction were an addition reaction, then electron delocalization would be destroyed in the product and molecule would not have aromatic characteristics. Alkyl groups can be introduced into the ring system in the presence of catalyst. Benzene rings fuse together to form the polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons, for example, naphthalene, anthracene, tetracene, tetraphene, pentacene, pentaphene, dibenzene, anthracene, and benzotetraphene. Some of the compounds with several rings are carcinogenics. Thank you. Take care. Allah Hafiz.